yes how we for answer no ahwe wo de ebuza comedian so amanfo adwa pa efa Chairman Wontumi ayasa achi ne biem na be condition ya de amane se wo meeting we say enya asam kotu o ya twa sika po 30 million Ghana cedis cano 300 billion and that Chairman Wontumi etiri so ese o meet this big condition with some sureties any that ama even the passport card you seize the passport in a account and no ana community say busi amanfo kire say the omu ye yi no omu obi anywhere any moment there is a change in government in Ghana just a crowd of and a very beautiful day be akoma me mo anchire bonu akire wadwe ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media me so say need you obe like video no other my subscribe button some back the notification connect for the latest update na be kire wadwe de ama me e wo comment section best was so baso anu a share for so enya bi ahwe 84 say be common oh mama give you abusia bi shout out because Caleb the tata be say Penyah me mama ni me nuaba oh mama Rita yes we do me buru so oh mama yes one for me say ba other say oh teshi one wo baba ella e say ni mu video na mo yawu say ye and I am the pa me so mama me ni so pa say abofra te se me onya abotre e do phone tena sister wa wo do sika to data bando e de fam ye nyame nhira opa an nyame nhira obi bire nyame nhira opa monkra to ra beduru manim wala se monkra to abeduru manim enye omunko a obi a wo be there for Stella mo Matilda mo why na me nka no Catherine mo munyina je obi biala oje bre e de data bando e be hwem ye no an nyame nhira opa na kutuko da bia yiske front to bando no onse ehwa ama na nyame enyamokes ai now let's go to the story we say kaya Friday no anasam update bi eba ye say Attorney General ehia Chairman Wontumi say omra no me answer some questions bi enyo no nko a CID for so hia no omu hia no CID headquarters it omra hono na ometrechre ensem because concerning illegal mining guarantee and say Chairman Wontumi din ebo mu ni ade what I say invasion of Numri forest hono no turn on Numri forest na yes o hunu akoba ura mu unlawfully it omla mechre nsemu eteya no achi Monday ye no ana Chairman Wontumi sole anopa ene ne one ne lawyers ekoba na ekopie mu ewo CID headquarters na hono mo na okoye retaining no yamana amafie retaining ewo hono mo yaman arrest ewo hono mo ade chi ye no ene ne omude de enti omu friend eba ye omude ebo no as oh yeah the case is makumako 6 illegal mining Chairman Wontumi sin nyina odibem ene so no odibem kra na ode yate but abode yakwa nya ne kwa ansa ne be jaw makokra ne de at least you have to meet some bail conditions be bail condition kan man enra no na 15 million Ghana cedis with two sureties it is kano 150 billion on sika we no we are nipa mienu emeje ginemu ema no ansana wafa no ho de akofi ayes na the lawyers ene ade ni bi prepare sen committee committee abom ni ade na o matima meet bail condition no emu ana deputy attorney general na also court bi opie ye what I say Dr. Justice Sramsai opie ye kwenso we say oh no briefcase red one bi we kra suitcase say briefcase so red one no be wura court one mo they said there is a fresh case here I want to say the Chairman Wontumi biem ni nyina afa town on Numri river town on Numri forest no yes Chairman Wontumi akoba wura mu what I say with galamsey akoba wura ba kodidi forest ni mu unlawfully yamane kwai but on what to be akoba wura mu mewa nansi ya enche bia ene ba say Chairman Wontumi kwa ye kana spedi galamsey tata ni kra no oja galamsey ache ama even ne concession kra no after so we galamsey no wa cover asase ni amana ni nyina so e de adua kube
this is Akunta mining na ohwe asase ne da ho tretre na baby na oye adwuma no there are records Chairman Wontumi three letter come out posifo a omuwo western region say illegal miners akone concessioner or one krata understand ni list ni be ende ebe expire somewhere 2035 na the S ni say list is we nyana under MPP oye hun krata sem na ewie na MDs na wo power na ɔtwerɛ kata kɔma apolisifoɔ sɛ ɔmoma no baibofoɔ na ɔnkɔ pamu illegal miners no ɛfiri asase so polisifoɔ ma na polisifoɔ ɔmokɔ adwuma no bi ne kata wɔtwerɛ kɔda apolisifoɔ no ase no ɛwɔ hɔ ɛnɛ yi ogya asase no to a illegal miners ɛkɔɔ so no ɛna as a true statesman ɔyɛ n'adwene sɛ sɛ bɛyɛ a ɔmo ntumi nkɔ saa asase no odua kube ɛde a reclaim land no odua kube 50,000.
Wow.
As we speak wɔdua between 20 to 30,000 ɛwɔ asase no so. Into the pictures that you are seeing, the videos no akunta mine concession no and effort say oba reclaim land no tie sisi na ye kube
odua
dada o put up a factory where oba export kube ni bi e de akwa amono ne na ebi so ma start kube nsuo no e de aye nyema bebrebe he's in the process enti ene wo kwa asase no so a close to 30,000 coconut trees and a word dear I was asking so obia bet me a fly drone make us a me ubet me a call fly drones no one say I contain mine concession no ye dear could be so and I say ni any part do send a young mind will come ha would they say any papa and also any bonnie boy we are or making an effort so or reclaim land no now dear a bay and I say could be, but for the politics of it, what we name the chilling story. I can't work me from 2012-13. Do my the air cost name if they couldn't break him down, if they couldn't kill him between 2012, 13, 14, 15, 16, this time so they can't kill him. They can't kill him. They can't run him down. God they wanna back.
Oh yes.
Jiname. He will go through it and he'll come out stronger.
Kubena started cry every fear and it just got say won't me lenke chama won't me Emma galam say but they say crime has no expiry. Do I any tetegram say a man for chim say oya ne teteno and no so na no make kan nyina abomu e de ho kwaduo good so e de tete no e de say de ha no e enra no. After say your man be condition or meet and all prepares with meeting and it's had another case ever hate no for illegal mining here and invasion of forest tunnel forest yes had be hate no Emma yes editing enra na say hwete some be condition say sika was a wotimi etua anse no afa no akodi e wo fie no eye ene sika no 30 million Ghana cedis sika no 300 billion kache enye sika kuma 300 billion boga enye sika kuma o enye sika kuma enye fedi agroskana no worship pa enye no kwa ya say season the passport aye say ya the ban actors on me too quite from my wi mu ya season the passport enina aye say the issue nyina say be say fighting galamsey and a nice initiative to me aye okay many problem there but Chairman Wontumi aye tete ne de nam sa kwa wi se no Chairman Wontumi nyina as now galamsey that's what cost we muremu aye say on TikTok mente Ghana say ye be say fighting galamsey we know those who are doing galamsey now ko mu nsuro omu check phone gina omo so video post on TikTok na be pe followers pe likes ni eyi nyina why don't we go after them arrest them na ye mu say omo mpanimfo ohemfa na ye track enkwacheche omo mpanimfo how maybe I don't get it anas ye de ani esi nipo ba ko pe bi sin da bia ye body for galamsey I want to ask you across the country to oman ni mu nyina no is Chairman Wontumi the only person doing galamsey in this country? Hey, Ghana me kan okra gakra o. Enti yache Chairman Wontumi ne galamsey wa Ghana nyina aba from another still galamsey air course. I don't get it. Galamsey aba from another yache no. That's because na ehefo na two now ayentimi nchi wo because now galamsey course. E ma even kra no. Takrado railway line no. Ye dey two galamsey ase no. Enti ehefo na so nwura mutu because nyanim say Ghana de oka galamsey a edin abo obi atim Chairman Wontumi. Enti ono so yache no. And the galamsey campaign no still a handful na two galamsey no and across the country now no ma say bole bamboy Mahama kurom bole galamsey duru why na two that galamsey no I don't get it but I was a comedian so ebi wo fupa said as a mo as a Chairman Wontumi dey na say be some political game bi as a or time bi ni ade bi media no so mu just okay ni said nsu eye nne no sa na da bi ewia so bo a ebeye enti Mahama move na point is omunya very careful omunya nda ho nya sa dey power change a eni obi amfu ntaban na wontu from edu gogola o baby.
Yes, I guess this is what exactly what Ken Ashigbe and his people were talking about. Anytime the CSOs had raised issue with the Galamsey, they would say, "Oh, Chairman Wontumi." They were talking as though Chairman Wontumi is another name or synonymous for Galamsey. Meanwhile, I understand that since 2020, 2022, he's not been involved in any form of mining, and he has rather, planted hectares of coconut in place of that, as a way to, bring back revive the land. Go see, there are reports, several reported cases of Galamsey across the country, all over the place. Reports, we are inundated with report upon reports saying that the Galamsey menace is worsening. And it has actually found expression in our water quality index. It's found expression in the turbidity level, which has moved from 14,000 to some 98,000. And somehow we don't seem to have a very clearly set out timelines for dealing with that. I understand that Parliament was supposed to reconvene. Parliament tells us that, and for that matter, the Speaker tells us that there are circumstances beyond his control has meant that he postponed that indefinitely. Now, it means that the LI 2462 that we all thought was going to be scrapped is going to linger on. The Galamsey is still going on. And the earlier we took a very decisive step against that, the better. The earlier we are more decisive, we are more confrontational, we are more frontal on the issue, the better. Because our water bodies are not getting any better. Our environments are not getting better. These guys have even trying to put themselves into mafia groups where they are beating each other, and so many, causing a lot of security threats to personnel who have been appointed to guard our waters and all that. We are seriously at risk if we decide not to do anything tangible in arresting that. We should stop pursuing Wontumi and all those things. That political wind chant will not solve the problem. There are real issues. Okay, the president tells us 4 million workers may stand losing their job if Galamsey is fought. And other things he said. It's obvious that the incentive to fight it is a bit lagging. That's why we need to force him to do just that. Anyway, my name is Koba P. I like, share, comment. We produce very intellectual, analytical content here. You can like, you can share, you can anything that you do to support this platform. I'll be very delighted to have you share. Thank you so much.
Yes, Ghana from Pennyfo say edua kwakwana ntia yedai edie wu no ente kuma ntransia yedai entonko entimi se obi nka kire NDC fo say di omuri ya Chairman Wontumi no emre beso am ye di bia yom Ghana for mu da mu ko he video we mra mu ko he video we. Hello. Sit down. Give way. Please. No, which are you? Sit inside. Ghana for it is saying net Chairman Wontumi ye tuna boss way ye tuna boss me say NDC for executive for mo fantum hofo me say mo fantum hofo na me say emre bi beso ama mo so ye de say bia ire ayemo it is some system Wontumi kwa na etu gara wo krom hanom ono kwa na ma Ghana henso nyina se ya ye ye se ne ye nka mo we emre ne so a mo obia mesu emu obia mesu sam NDC for abayisu no mo obia me ire emesu no ha it Ghana for some me ya adwa me some from sanye dey mark man so yes from some mark man so manya me ya mu we bia price na me say me so ire aforo me na ma sa atra ase the we are Chairman Wontumi nya hwe a mo titi ni say dey 2028 still possible. Yeah, still possible Ghana for now we shama me.
This message goes to politicians, especially the NDC. You see that you are arresting Chairman Wontumi, slapping him with all manners of bill, and right now he has been slapped about 10 million Ghana cedis, and he has to, and with 3 sureties. Let me tell you, see, no problem, good. If NDC get out of power, even 1,000 years, and MPP come in power, be ready assured that they will deal with you people. NDC, if MPP come to power, they will deal with you, because they don't see all what you are doing to them. They are marking it down. They know very well that even 2028 they will not come to power. 2032 they will not come to power. From that point going, when they come to power, they will be like monkeys. You will do it to them today, but they are marking it down. After they come to power, even 30, 40, 50, 100 years, they will retaliate. They will revenge. So whilst you are doing it, be very careful, because, and those of you who want to stain yourself, corrupt leaders, wait. If NPP come in power, wait. They will come for all of you. Those of you that they are doing and you are laughing, you are happy. The NDC people, you are happy. And when they talk, Ghanaians, they don't care. When you mess up anything, Ghanaians will vote you out of power and bring NPP. And that is where you will get to understand that when you buy kinky, you take shito or you take pepper. Be ready.
President Mahama, Ghana for us, a politician, be our Ghana has seen. Free say President Mahama, ebedi President wa Ghana hay abusuya. Anytime be a President Mahama aban, and I NDC aban be a Ghana for a beka wasem, and a media eka wasem pe, na President Mahama mu aseda mo ma bechi Chairman Wontumi ni MPP mpanyimfo na ye de akata sa asem no so. Nanu ya galamse nsensem ya sorry nkro ahodo bebre wo ha. Omunya nsuo nnum galamse yi akostro atete apansan ankrofo bebre ka se NDC national organizer Mr. Joseph Yamin any omu national first vice abanga omu bo galamse nsensem imunti NDC abanhwe na omu nye galamse nsensem yie nurses ni teacher force demonstration omu pa abaya cho se abanhwe ntia omu ka any school placement in Sensema aye basano, and this yabanya muse omu party no is becoming unpopular. And there was said omu Chairman Wontumi. Attorney General, so they say in ayenim. Anytime bia was said Attorney General or your investigation on any issue at all, it was all your public announcement. So I'm by press conference, it was all your public announcement just to get the sympathy of the public. And this year by way there and far. And Chairman Wontumi EcoPMO CID headquarters. Only the lawyer copy one. No, the lawyer no grandpa to just say. Obesra Attorney General say one time say aya wo huna Chairman Wontumi no na emboa because who inviting the bia obeba. Nti ohun de nti e was huna Chairman Wontumi ni MPP mpanyufo. And nti e besra mo say ndisi aban. See a Ghana for bebre nsasi from esan say ndisi aban ni President Mahama. Time no more opposition no. nsema na omuka sede na omuka se omuba beye no sesi ano nya de omutimi ye mu bia nti ama Ghana fo bebre omunsa sefom sesi a dollar ekika ko 15 cedis eye 14.69 dollar ekika ko 15 cedis nyama bebre dis ya ban ka ye galamse adwuma sem nyama bebre omuka ye omuntimi nye 24 hours economy ya president Mahama kan ho ko asem kan ho asem ebepeme ne ye hu hye President Nanado, former President Nanado, time I know obey president no. The first year no the free senior high school ni ba. Yes, I say eno na ye ne botaye kese. President Mahama ne botaye pa ni 24 hours economy. Sesi ayeti we 24 hours economy ye hu hye.
Type the future is pregnant. O the type sa na share. Hey, NDC. Chairman Wontumi, ana chese modern e di agrosa. Oba Western of region, Miami region. Nana mahina owo awunwi. We trap Oscar Labi MP for your friend say enchi awunwi. Ye twanesu because quiet da hono. We rub e tu galamse. Nana no ma twanesu. Evidence be bi na mo pa hwehwe. And this ya braso ye tu galamse ya railway kwan ye tutu ye tu asie tu galamse. And you tell me, say, oh, she won't to me because you are fighting Galamsey. Me say, type the future is pregnant. Hey, I am this for more book with him. And then, yeah, we your level, your level. And this buyer, Mabra, you and the word this ya branch when you do my own sick ma. No wouldn't say wooden no man, when 2029, ye be you. And that Galamsey for Adoson, quietly as said, usually I said more at time. Now the Danko Kufuado did the presidency at the two lies, or the presidency act form so Galamsey. Hey, the whole MP, none more channels to so to Galamsey. Wontumi Chairman, Attorney General, who are looking to who say, your friend is a more DC, national organizer, Joseph Yami, and the Abanga. Yoko kwachi omo because they are into serious galamsey. Monka hoshi Wontumi and I'm the back kata monizo. The future is indeed pregnant. That's it. Now CSO sine yina mukoshi ayino na Mr. President no.
I just love this gentleman. Chairman Wontumi. I have just to love him. I don't know. Not be checking this out, but I'm keke. Just say one person. Now tough be brave. I say we Ghana for 10,000. 2 penasel. Wow. Ghana Nelson Mandela. I just love him. You be I'm penasel keke. Just say, oh you're bold. Look at him. Who perform 2 cells how many 10,000 and fun. Charlie. I just love this gentleman. Now I know say he will come back free. I know, I'm sure. It's more money I just want too much in wine. Okay? I'm just praying for this gentleman. Radi M1. Now free mu office titi. Ye jaw. I tell you. Why is so popular? Chairman one.
Aha Penyah Media. Bet ma chere wadwe ama me. Comment section.